adorable is this? I will be unboxing the Ballpoint Planner look box and showing you what you can get at our shop for $100. Let's take a look. Hello planner friends, my name is Sarah and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. You may think,
Sarah, you don't need another planner.
That's exactly what everyone in my family told me, but I thought I need to plan out my content, my Sarah's Planner channel content, so what better than a planner themed box for my planner themed channel? Yeah, of course. Anybody would think that, right? So I went ahead and bought this, and really funny story, Kell posted that this was 25% off, and anybody who did a spread using this box would enter into a giveaway for $100. Everyone made fun of me. My husband, he was laughing. My sister, she just said, oh yeah, like planner shops will do anything to get you to buy their stuff and you fall for it. And yes, I fell for it. But ka-ching, I actually won the prize. She announced that I was the winner of the $100 gift card, and immediately when she said that, she gave me my code and I bought my stuff, and she has incredibly fast shipping. So yes, this is how this haul came about. I was the giveaway winner and I want to show you everything that I got. I mainly got sticker books because I need them for planning. I'm not getting a lot of sticker kits. I'm trying to be a little bit more minimal with my planning. So I got a ton of sticker books. And I was really excited when I used the sticker books in this box. They were very high quality. And well, without further ado, let's jump right in. Here she is, the Kell Planner Love Box. I was so excited when I got this because of the beautiful art. This holds a 6-month planner, a sticker book, washi tape, a pencil bag, bookmarks, a ballpoint pen, and an X-Acto knife. And the art, oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. It's so colorful. And the box, this is what it shipped in. So it was a little beat up, but not as much actually. So I feel like I could still use it to store some things in my planner room. So I'm just gonna go through and show you each item that came in the box. And then I'll do a flip through of the planner last. So let's open up this bag with the items that come inside. This is the pencil bag and it has an elastic. This reminds me of the Planning Pack by Erin Condren, where you can like tie it around your planner. It's like a coarse kind of material, like a canvas, but it looks very durable. And then this is the X-Acto knife. If you're not familiar with Heather Kell, she uses it a lot in her Plan With Me's to like cut up her florals. So that's really nice. I think that was a really nice touch that she included this. This pen is super cute. It is a ballpoint pen, which y'all know my feelings on ballpoint pens. It's a fun pen to have around and you could probably refill it with the gel pen. So it's really cute, but I definitely wouldn't use it. I'm trying to open it here, but I couldn't. So yeah, a little fail on my end. I'll probably just like have it around, but not really use it as much. I have these super cute bookmarks and they're paperclip bookmarks. I used to make these, like I got some tutorials and printed them out. So this is a little throwback and I think they're super cute. Like I showed them to some of my coworkers at work and they're like,
this is so creative. How did they do this?
They're just like super cute. Like they're showstoppers whenever you have them. So I love that. Something that I loved across this box is that everything matches, like every single thing. And that is absolutely incredible. The papers, Like in this sticker book, you have like all of the exact colors for your planner, and I love that. That's what I was most excited about. So I'm just doing a quick little flip through. If anybody knows what these stickers are for, let me know. Still can't make it out. And there is just a ton of functional stickers and decorative. Look at all these planners and crafting and pens. I just love it. I was absolutely adoring these. I really just couldn't help but start using them right away. And I love how they come in so many different sizes. So it's perfect for whichever spread you want to create. And then you have like the number dots, like for the date dots, and you have an exact amount for 6 months in your planner. So I thought that was really nice. You have some scripts, and these, I don't know if these are like hand lettered by Kell. She has beautiful handwriting. Then the washi, oh my gosh, like the washi that comes in the planner, like the actual prints, are the exact same ones on this. I love this attention to detail so much. You have no idea. I absolutely incredibly love this. Look at that. They're the exact same thing. How perfect is that? I don't know. My OCD is just like over the moon. And then she has like these other washis with like planners and with the other washiception. So now let's head on over to the planner. And if you're not familiar with Heather Kell's products, she does disc bound planners. Sometimes she offers specialty planners like budgeting, faith. She does a lot of different planners, but then like she has just like the regular undated planners, which this is one of them. And this is what it looks like inside. The scrapbook paper is beautiful. Look at this art on the margin. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And something about Heather Kell, she was a teacher. So she has like that teacher vibe, and I love it. And you can see it in her products. More art on the margin, this beautiful scrapbook paper. And then everything is undated. It's a vertical planner, very similar to like the Happy Planner layout, I would say. But she really brings her own into this, like the grid paper. You can also clip in paper from her shop, like she sells it individually, like if you needed a little bit more. And that was it. Now let's head on over to the sticker books. Let's get started with the sticker books. I got a $100 shop credit and got 6 of them. I just had to pay for taxes and shipping, which came up to about like $18. I would say the price of one sticker book. Well, they're like $19 each. And I'm going to show you the size of them. So if you know the Happy Planner sticker books, the Mambi books, these are a little bit larger than that actually. They are probably like 1.5 inches larger on the side. So I really liked that. They're pretty big. They're definitely different sizes from what I'm used to. And I just want to show you a flip through of all of them in case you ever want to go into her shop and grab some. So I'm going to start with the watercolor dashboard florals. And she has different like uses for sticker books. Like I think this one is meant for your planner dashboard, specifically for hers that are like a larger type of planner. So all of these like pages that I flipped through are like in the same colorway. And then you have the florals, and they're like a sheer matte floral. And then now you start again the checklist, the boxes, and you're essentially starting with like a different colorway here. And you get a ton of pages in that colorway. So that's really good. I mean, you can really use this in many different ways. I wouldn't use it just for my dashboards. I don't have very large dashboards, but the florals, oh my gosh, look at that. They are so gorgeous. Now, this is another like more pastel colorway that is absolutely gorgeous. And again, you get all of the boxes. Some boxes I would say are way too large for me. And my planning style, I'm in an A5 right now or 7x9. But the florals, like, I could really use. And I could reuse the boxes for like journaling or scrapbooking. Now I'm going to the daily florals. So these are meant for like a daily planner. So you have like one page with like the habit tracker, large boxes, and a time banner, like different times of the day. So it comes with one page like that, and it's floral partner in the same colorway. I thought that was a really nice touch. And these florals are a little bit different. Some of them are like more of a paper finish, not sheer like the other ones, which I like the variety. I like that, you know, sometimes you're feeling like that paper floral rather than, you know, the plastic sheer one. So I thought that was really nice. These florals are very beautiful. These are more like drawn out in design. And this is her handwriting for sure. This is lettered by her, which I love her lettering. These quotes are definitely beautiful, and you have some more like functional scripts like to do, don't forget, and the deadline, laundry. So I definitely like that a lot. This is a very, very good sticker book. Now, these are the Jeweltone florals, and this is something that she launched for the fall. So it comes with like its functional page and two florals, functional page and two florals. And these are also very similar as like the watercolor florals in how they're sheer. I love that she has those like corner flowers, and then she has like the more like margin flowers and just like some florals that you can place wherever. And this is where the X-Acto knife comes in, that you can like cut them up and place them as you wish. These are definitely beautiful and really, really great for the fall. Like, I loved the art so much. This was probably my favorite of the bunch because I'm a corporate girly and I'm a hustler. So this is, again, like the daily florals. It has like the same structure where you have that one like functional page with some checklists and things like that. And then you have your decorative page, and the decor is so gorgeous. I won't lie, like I already used up like 30% of this after getting it like the day after because I was like so excited. It's because look at all of these. They're so cute, especially this one. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. This one, this is like the first one I used. I loved this one, so colorful. This is like this week's spread. So I just went in and decorated future spreads with this. So you can tell that's how much I loved it. I love florals, but I think like I'm more into like icons, and especially like laptops and work icons, coffee. Like that is really up my alley, and I loved this so much. So this sticker book, I wish I would have gotten like 2 of them. And it has some awesome quotes for like the corporate girly. It has some functional scripts as well, and they're more geared towards work. This was great. Like, this was my favorite of the bunch. And then we have these planner words lettered by Kell of a Plan. She was actually like lettering at Go Wild, so you can see like her script is so dang beautiful, like the best. I love it. I love how she had this rainbow. I'm not like super happy with like the rainbow. Like, it's a little primary colorish. That's what I feel. So I'll be using the black script more, but it still works. Like, there are times that I'm gonna have colorful spreads and I need them, but I really got this for the black scripts. And when you get like little sticker sheets from a shop, I don't know, because they're more expensive when they come in like little sheets. So having a whole sticker book of scripts is really awesome. And then the Happy Halloween. This was probably my second favorite. I absolutely love Halloween. And I was so excited when she launched this. I saw it on Instagram, and this is a different one. This is more of like a vertical planning sticker book. You have a ton of deco, but you also have your functional boxes, your like full boxes with deco, and like a ton, and like different size deco. Like you have larger and then smaller. So this was my favorite format of her sticker books. I love when shops include the full boxes, because I think that's the hardest thing to get. Like you have a ton of deco, you can get a ton of functionals, but the full boxes are just difficult. So I can see this in my vertical planner. This is more of a larger size than my like Erin Conran boxes, but you can cut them up. You got your X-Acto knife. And then I love how she has like those like Halloween quotes in both black and colorful, and then you have the orange script and the black script. So this was a really, really great book for Halloween. She has limited stock, so if you want to get it, you have to like get it quickly. So these are all of the sticker books that I got. I'm really, really happy with what I got them for. I think they like retail for about $19. Some of them were $14 as they were discounted. My shop credit went a long way, and there's a ton of spreads that you can get from these. So there you have it, my Kell Plan haul. I really want to share why I really wanted to buy items from her shop. If you notice, like, the planning style from Kell Plan is a little bit different than what I normally do, but I was so intrigued by her story, and you know how amazingly generous she was at Go Wild. So when I went to Go Wild, she was a very big sponsor. I didn't get to meet her personally, I just kind of saw her around, but at the planner fair, like she wasn't there when I went. I met her dad though, and her dad was like so proud of her. He was beaming when he's like, "Hey, I'm Heather's dad, like, are you here for the signing?" He was like so cute. Like, I just loved like the whole vibe. And she gave each attendee a planner box. This self-care planner was by Heather Kell, and I just thought, oh my gosh, how generous is it that she gave out like 1,700 of these. And granted, they're smaller. Like you can see, this is like the 6-month planner versus the 3-month planner that she gave out. But I just thought that was really, really sweet of her. So I wanted to support her shop in some way or another. And I wasn't expecting to be a winner of the challenge, but I know that I'll definitely come back for more products, because I'm planning in my planner love planner, and I am enjoying the bajinkers out of it because it's such a fun planner. Like everything matches. I love it so much. So yeah, that was my story as to why I became a Heather Kell plan. So definitely check out her shop. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more planning content, planning hauls, stationery hauls, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. As always, thank you so much for being here, for supporting my channel just by watching away. Watch this video next. Bye!